Hello guys, I'm showing Roblox Hack Bedwars script. It's called Alsploit. Here's the showcase. Here you go. And let's click attitude. Here it should be like that. And let's join again. Let's go, wait. Okay guys, part 2 na lang. Bye!